things will not get better until domestic policy changes in regards to domestic oil production. That is the number one factor. All right. Domestic oil production is what dictates all of this. Did you know that within 2 years, domestic American oil production increased by 31% in 2 years? Shattered records. And I had the links in the article. The Energy Administration Institute. 31% increase in domestic oil production means that the American consumer is not buying effectively 400,000 barrels of oil from the international market, which means there's now an extra 400,000 barrels of oil in the market. What does increased supply do to the cost of a product? Lowers it. If there's a lot of it, if it's plentiful, then it's not rare and there's no bidding war. All right. We literally dumped, we just materialized through American production in 2019 an extra 400,000 barrels of oil a month. 400,000, that's how many. All right. We averaged the American oil production averaged high 200,000s, 275, 285, 290. We were a high 200s for decades. And I'm talking Reagan administration, Bush, Clinton, Bush, Obama. We maintained pretty much the same oil production. The oil production numbers are on government websites. I'm literally using government websites. All righty, let's bring up, here we go, U.S. Energy Information Administration. Here we go. Woohoo! Here we go. Here is all of the oil production in the continental, or all the U.S. domestic oil production since 1920. Here we go, 2017, 275. This is in the hundreds of thousands. I'm just going to go starting January 2017, 275, 255, 284, 273, 284, 273, 286, 286, 273, 286, 286 again, 285, 299. November 2017, we broke 300,000. It was the first time since 1971 that we broke 300,000. All right. But then December 2019, we broke 400,000. All right. We went up by 31% in a year and a half. That 31% took America from being a net importer from a net importer to net exporter. We began to export oil because we had more than we needed. All right. But then COVID hit 4 months later. And demand was like, hey, we're all staying home. Hey, we're not flying. Hey, we're not traveling. Hey, we're not doing anything for summer, kids. We're not going to school. We're not commuting. We're not doing XYZ. And oil went, what do we do? So they throttled back production. All right. So we look at 2020. All right. January, 398. Then it drops 372. Then it bounces back 396. And we hover. Well, the lowest it got was 301. And that was May. Because that was when April is when everyone got shut down. 2 weeks to stop the spread, right? 2 weeks to stop the spread. Then we hover back in the low 300s. And we never get above 350 until October of 21. And now we're hovering just above 350. We're 352, 316. What the hell? 362, 349, 359. That's where we are 2022. So we're down. We're down in production. I believe the number right now is 20%. the gas you're getting, which they're not telling you, and what refineries are letting people know is pay attention to the ethanol count, because they're going to start putting those little yellow stickers on gas pumps without you knowing that they've changed the sticker. You're going to see ethanol go up anywhere from 2 to 8%, and that's where it's cheaper. The cheaper gas is. Cheaper gas is corn gas. It's ethanol, and you're not going to be making. You're gonna start having engine problems, guys. I know, tinfoil hat time. They're turning the frogs gay, but that's what's happening. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.